start with this chapter. Then in this chapter, I will tell you about KTurtle, its commands. And now we will learn about command which is used to write on the canvas. So we will also learn how to perform simple mathematical calculation. So first is print command. Let's study about the print command. Print command is used to write text or numbers on the canvas, right? Then we have different steps like type prints, press the space bar key, do the following. To display any number, type the number. To display text, enter the text using double quote, right? So it will display the number 2018 as shown, right? You will type, you will run, and your turtle will move. Next is font size command. You want the change in the font size. So what you can do, you can use to set a size of the font that is used by turtle. It takes one input which should be number. Then type the font, press the space bar key, type the number of units for font size. It will display number 2018 bigger as shown. Now let's type the text on Canva. Let's type the text vertically, it will display the text. Now go to go command. The go command is used to move the turtle to a certain place of the canvas without drawing a line. A position of the upper left corner of the canvas is given by 0, 0. The number of steps the turtle move will be calculated, right? And 60, 100 moves that turtle, 60 steps to the right and 100 steps down to the caliper. The go command moves the turtle from the upper left corner 20 steps to the right and 100 steps down to the caliper. Then write the text at the position of turtle horizontally. Now it moves the turtle from upper left corner 10 steps right and 180 steps down on the canvas. So draw the border around the text and then you will draw a border. Now ask command, it is used to enter a number or text so that we can give answers to the question. This command start with $L followed by an equals to sign. On the right side of the equals to sign, type ask followed by stored text which is enclosed in double quote. This is a syntax you can use. Then we have message command. So what is message command? It gives information. What it gives you? Information by showing the text type by us. Whatever text you have typed, it will show you over here. Right? Like this. Then we have maths in KTurtle. So we can perform addition, subtraction, multiple and division using these symbols. These symbols are known as arithmetic operator. These are used with the prints forward, backward, turn right, turn left, direction and go command. Then using print command, let us understand the use of arithmetic operators. Like reset, go 50, 100, font size 80, you will print 49 plus 80 over there. So 149, 100 minus 7, it will press 23. 50 into 40, 2000, then dividable, that is 69. These are the different addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Use of other command. Let's understand the use of arithmetic operator using other command. And we will give with the help of examples like this. 100 plus 70, with turtle will go 170 step in forward direction. Here, but it will go 100 steps in backward direction. Divide, it will go in right by 135 direction. Here, the turtle will turn left by 120 degree. Then we have 150 degree. The turtle will turn right 150 degree. It moves the turtle from upper left corner 140 steps to the right and 100 steps down on the canvas. Right? Hope you understood. This was all about the KTurtle. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.